What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Today I just want to show you guys my solar panel system and my camper. As of now, I do not have my batteries. They are coming in 3 days. So once that comes, I'll make a new video and I'll show you guys everything together. But I figure I'd show you guys right now because it is working. I just got my little backup battery here. This took a while to do, I will admit. I rewired basically the whole camper to work as is. So let me just show you the few things I did. I did put in a radio. So I mounted that up. Still gotta get the cover on, but that's basically done. I got the Bluetooth module down here for my PWM, and then a USB charger. I also put in this little fan right here just to get some airflow going, and I also put in new LED lights, which are very bright. So the solar panel system, basically I ran everything from my converter. This was my old converter. There's nothing hooked up now. Everything was running to that. I ran it all straight to the battery. So here's all the wires. It's already a big mess. I've been working non-stop lately. And that is going to this fuse block, which is a nice little thing. So here's the PWM Renogy Wanderer. It has a Bluetooth module on it. And then this is a shunt that that measures all the current and stuff going to it. And this is the display right here. I will kind of make this a little bit neater, but as of now, that's what it looks like. So, this is a neat little display here. Tells me basically all the info that I need, all the way from discharging, watt hours, and the time that I started it. Hey, Addie, can you get out real quick? I'm making a video. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. So, it's pretty cool. It tells you, alright, sorry about that. So this is basically tells you everything that you need to know. It's even a low voltage cutoff. And I should have the temperature on here. Oh, there it is. There's a temperature. Don't know why it's doing that lately. We'll figure that out. If I have to, I'll hardwire it. But yeah, so this is a neat little thing that I have. You can turn the load on and off. Let me turn on something real quick just to show you guys. So just turn on my radio real quick just to show you guys it pulling something. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll make another video for you guys and do a more extensive in view of everything that's going on here, because there is a lot going on. And I want to get my batteries before I make a good video. But I figure I'll show you guys a little update. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.